Give Daddy Pig a cage. Give Paige a pedestal. Give George to birds. Oh, my George is coming to play with the birds. I'm Peppa coming to dance. Jump, 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 then my pig father. Just play hide and seek in this cage. Hide. Ups, what are you doing? Come down quickly. Come down. Ha ha, Daddy Pig. Paige George. Put the three of your toys together. You can form a talking bird. What talking bird? We don't believe it. Oh, I knew you didn't believe it. Look, I'm installing the bird now. Then cover the bird cage. Then turn on the switch again. Peppa Pig George. Daddy Pig George. Ah, who's calling my name? Ah, who's calling my name? Oh my God, birds can talk. Oh my God, birds can talk. Wow, this is fun. I'm Paige. Wow, this is fun. I'm Paige. Ah, I'm Peppa. Peppa. Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I'm a pig dad. Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I am a pig father. Oh, it's the little bird learning to talk.